Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. The name is Jeanie and I'm so glad you tuned in. In this video, we are actually going to edit a photo. So I'm going to edit a selfie I took, of course, in this same outfit, and I'm going to share that with you. It's actually very simple. I use just one editing app. So let me go ahead and actually screen record so you can follow whatever I say. First of all, let me put this on do not disturb because I keep getting notifications. If you want bomb photos, have very good lighting. I want to show you some photos I took indoors with studio lights as well as with sunlight, so you can actually see the difference. So I took these photos inside and you can see it's nice, but it's not crisp, it's not too clear. And of course, this is with a front camera of an iPhone. iPhone front cameras are not the best, really, but I still like taking photos with my iPhone, especially when you're in the sunlight, not too harsh sunlight. It's really cute. It's not bad or horrible or anything, I just don't like it. So I decided to use some sunlight, and this was coming through a window. So these photos were taken with the sunlight. Now you see it's making my skin like so perfect, even it's making my makeup even pop more. This is the video with the sunlight. It's so perfect, like it is perfect. So these are some other photos I took and I really liked them. This is my favorite, so I'm going to go ahead and heart it. I like this too. But one thing I like about the live pictures is you can choose the best. Okay, this for instance, I don't really like it, so I can go ahead and look through to see if I can find any better picture or angle. So yeah, that's that too. These pictures were bomb, better than the ones I took earlier, and you can see. Oh, this is another favorite of mine. So I really like this photo too, so I'll go ahead and heart it. Bingo. I have a very decent background. I'm not saying find the most expensive background, or even if you can't afford like backdrops, don't do it. Just make sure you have like, maybe for instance, like a plain white wall like this, or even your background shouldn't have like clothes everywhere. Again, you should know your angles. I really know my angles. I really like the left side of my face. My left profile is my favorite angle. So if I'm taking selfies, I know that I have to actually angle myself this way more so that I can get like really nice pictures with this angle. The last I want to share is take tons of pictures. Today, for instance, I think I didn't even take that many. Sometimes I can take like 50 photos because I'm trying to get the best photo. Take a lot and go through and heart the ones you like. Enough of the talking, let's just go ahead to the editing apps here. I have Airbrush, I have Lightroom, I have Snapseed, I have Facetune, I have Fonto, I have RNI films, and I have Teza or Teza, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to use just this editing app here, and I'm going to choose the picture I actually really liked. I've kind of edited one already, but I just want to edit this with you guys so you can see how I edited it. So I wanted like a vintage look, so that is the editing I'm going for. But I'll quickly go through some of the filters here. So they have the fresh filter, and you can actually, this is on 50. Sometimes I do 25 or 5, 10, whatever you want your picture to look like. That is completely up to you. I'm talking so fast, girl, chill. Okay, and we have the first vintage, which I don't like it's making me too orange and too dark, and that is not what I really look like. And we have the mood, which is, it's really a mood. It's also really cute, but I don't really like it like that. Again, you can intensify it, or you can whatever you want to do with it. So that's that too. We have the INSPR. I don't think it's inspiration. I really don't know what that is, but that one too is there, which I don't like. We have a film is really cute too, but I don't like the green hues. I just don't, it's not my thing. As I said, I wanted a vintage look. We have the vintage too. I like it, but not really. Yeah, so the vintage 3 is my favorite. We have mood, flower, yum. Depending on my mood, I can choose whatever filter. It's quite a lot. I can choose whatever filter I want. So I'm going to use the vintage 3. Yeah, vintage 3, and I'm going to put it on 25. Yeah, that works. but don't worry, it looks like it's actually taking my real tone or skin tone out. It's okay, I'll kind of fix it. So I'll leave it at 25, and then I'll go to temperature, and then I'll move that to 15. So this is the before and this is the after. It's so rich now, and that is what I am looking for. And I'll go back here to highlights. So I'll move this to -3 or -4, -5. But yeah, -3 is fine. I'll move to the dust 1. They have dust 3, dust 4, dust 5, dust 6, which is also really nice. Well, I think depending on your mood, as I said, I like that. But today I'm using dust 1, and I'll move this big ball, whatever it is, down. Yeah, so sometimes I realize that the dust will be on the face, so I'll move these arrows around just so it wouldn't be on my face. And you can actually change the dust, which is white, to black by just clicking on this ball right here with half white and half black. Yeah, but I like the white, I don't like black. So I'll just leave it like this because so far I think it's looking very nice. We are not done, we're almost done though. So I'll go back here and I'll go to green. I like green on my photos now. Of course, you are going for the aesthetic look, so yeah, green is very important for that. We'll go to green 1. Well, depending, 5 is too much. Well, that is too much for me. I mean, that is too much, but that is someone's cup of tea. That is not mine. So I'll just move this to maybe 1.5 or 2. Yeah, 2 works. It's cute. Yeah, 2 works. 2 works. So yeah, I'll leave it at 2. And the last but not the least, it will be the sharpen. Where is sharpen? Where are you? Yeah, there you are. So you can actually move it to like 38, 50, but that is too much. So I'm just going to move it to like maybe 5. 5 is too much, right? Maybe 3. Yeah, I'll leave it at 3. Yeah, so this is it. I have some beautiful vintage look right here. This photo needs no more fixing. Okay, I think I'll just save it, and you can go ahead and save it to your camera. So I have to save it here now. Let's go and take a look. Yeah, so it looks really nice. I like it. I really like it now. So let me actually screenshot the before so we can compare. Screenshot. Okay. Yeah, so this is the before and this is the after. It's so rich and chocolatey and so caramelly. I don't know if there's a word like that, but yeah, that's basically how I edit my aesthetic pictures now. I just have been learning a lot, and so I have been loving it. So let me know what you guys think, because sometimes if I think it's not that cool, I can go to airbrush, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying to edit an aesthetic selfie here. That's it. So yeah, so this is so easy. If you want to get like the vintage look, this is how you can get it with that app. I really enjoyed recording this video. If you want to see more of these tutorials, let me see. I've been learning a lot, and I can definitely share. Sharing is caring, honey. We are family now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Jeanie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section so we can actually, I can record whatever videos you want me to record. I love you guys so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.